8.2.2 says calculate with reasons the length of DM. So the length in question is DM, which is half of a diagonal. And yeah, so where do we begin? Firstly, we need to leverage the sides that we know, and these are these sides. So we can formulate some type of ratios or fraction equation that allows us to equate what we want to know versus what we do know. So here we know that these two sides are parallel. That means this triangle here would be parallel to the big triangle, allowing us to use certain ratios. So we want to find MD. Our thought process is, or at least my thought process would be, since I want to find MD, they mentioned that ABCD is a rectangle for a certain reason. So we need to leverage the properties of the rectangles we've seen in the previous question. This would be no different. We know that the diagonals of a rectangle, they bisect. So which means this will be equal to that, which will be equal to, and this side would be equal to the other side. So what we can do is try and figure out the length of AC. Once we figure out the length of AC, we can say AC would be equal to DB, because we know the diagonals of a rectangle are equal. And once we do that, then we would know that all of these diagonals would be equal. So half of AC would basically be equal to MD. Yeah, so we can begin with the ratio. So could say, since we're looking for AC, we'll say AC over what we do know, which is CH, is equal to AF over FG. And then you can make your substitutions. AC over CH is 21, is equal to AF, which is 20 over 15, which is FG. AC in this case is equals to 28 units. That means so this is just from when one line is parallel to the other on a triangle, like that. And then we can say dB is equal to AC, which is equals to 28, not degrees but units. And that reason is just diagonals of a rectangle, like that. Then now you can say half of dm is equals to half of dB, which would be 14 units. And again, this is the same reason, diagonals of a rectangle. So these are just properties of a rectangle. And then that's your answer, 14 units. That's your length for D.